Hi guys, back again. As promised, now I'm going to show you the video of my latest setup. As I wrote in the forum, I fried all my transistors. The transistors are now changed from the TIPS 31 to the TIPS 3055. The resistors are changed from 100 ohms to 470 ohms, which is much better performance. Yeah, they look all just the same, the circuits, but just there was some work to do to fix this all. And the next thing is, what I did is, as you remember, I've mounted 4 generator coils, but I didn't find the right way to produce enough voltage, current, whatever, to do something with it. And I did some things wrong because I fried all my transistors. I shorted everything out, little smoke, and yeah, this is the rest from my transistors, all fried. My little amp meter is also destroyed. As you see, it's not working anymore. But anyway, I have to buy a new one. Okay, I'll show you 2 things. The one thing is how this circuit is charging, and the next thing is this, let's see, I don't know if it's a good idea. It's this double coil idea. I have here 2 coils on the top of each other. The idea is the first coil here is generating the current, and it's flowing into the second coil, and the second coil is pulsed like a normal SSG. The little modification is it's just I took some parts off. There's no cable for the charging battery. The neon lamp is not existing anymore. I just hooked up here a cable on the emitter and the base. I think so. And is it now the no, anyway? As you see here, a lot of cables again. Here, here I don't know if you see it right. Okay, here's this one is the Gen coil. Here you see all the cables in series. And here this one is the pulsed one, and the current goes in here into this rectifier, normal circuit. From this rectifier, yeah, this is little switch. I integrate it because I'd like to turn everything off. It's if I hook up a cap or something else and there's some troubles again, so I can turn it off really quickly. Yeah, and here you see the circuit where it's going. There's my little lamp. This lamp is just showing me if there's already enough current in the coil, if it's pulsed. And yeah, that's it. It's really simple. Would be nice to find. Maybe this circuit isn't efficient. Maybe you guys have a better idea. I also post the circuit I did. This is little pot, 1K pot also here. You can adjust it a little bit, so you have big range, you can adjust it. And as posted, I get out 93 volts. The one thing I have to remeasure is the milliamps I'm getting out of it. Okay. First thing is, I'll show you how this thing is charging. I have to pick up now my rotor. Oh yeah, the crocodiles are here. So, put this rotor inside. Oh, it's not that easy. Okay, but it's turning really smooth. Okay. First thing is, I'll show you how this thing is charging. you see it. This is for later. Okay, you don't see it well. Okay, everything is hooked up. A few turns. The thing is, since I changed the transistors and the resistors, I have to turn a little bit more at the beginning to get it running. Okay, I'll show it to you. Check this now. And it's charging. And now you hear the engine running faster. And this is how it's running. I think it's charging really fast. Now it's slowing down, but this is something you know already. But it's running really quite nice. Okay, that's about charging. The next thing is, I want to show you something about this circuit I did here. Just take this off. Just wait till this is still again. Okay. So now I hook up this crocodiles here. One here and one here. I'm still testing this thing. Okay. So this is not powered, this is a self-powered circuit from Generator Coil. Now the switch is turned off, and if I turn my rotor, you have just this little current. I don't know from which side this is coming, I have to show exactly. I don't want to tell you any trash, but it's not really much. Okay, but if I turn this on, the switch, okay, you see it's already jumping to over 20 volts. Here you have this control lamp. You see if I turn it right now, nothing happens. If I switch on, it's blinking. So the current is already in the coil and pulsed. And now I'll show you the voltage when it's running. Hook up again the okay. This is switched off. Now watch this. It's not even switched on. This is no from. I don't know exactly. It's from one winding the voltage. And now watch this. It's not turned on. And my control lamp here is blinking. Really strong. Okay, so as you see, this is the voltage I'm getting out right now. And I think it's not that bad. And this thing is running really. And the funny thing is, listen, I turn this off. makes this triggering sound. This is funny. But anyway, this is the latest thing I did. You see the battery is charging again. 1306. Yeah, it's running pretty nice. I have to try a few things. I'm going to try here with this thing a few things, a few modifications, let's see. But if you guys have any ideas, yeah, you're welcome to help me with this circuit. Or maybe you have completely different ideas with this setup. Okay, that's it for now. Yeah, see you soon. Bye.